Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do a lot of skincare reviews and haircare reviews on my channel. So if you're interested, then please make sure that you are subscribed so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. In today's video, I want to talk about the Plum Goodness Avocado Soft Cleanse Shampoo. The price of the shampoo is 550 rupees and you get 300 ml quantity of this one. It comes in a plastic pump bottle like this, just like their other shampoos. This shampoo comes in a very thick and creamy texture as it contains a lot of conditioning ingredients in this one. This is the complete ingredient list of this product. The surfactants that they have used are very gentle and it contains all of these conditioning ingredients due to which they have formulated it especially for people with dry, frizzy and curly hair, and they say this is not suitable for silky hair. These are the claims that they have mentioned regarding this product on their website. They say, "I'm gentle, sulfate-free, silicone-free shampoo packed with the goodness of avocado. I'm very high on protein content and will help nourish your hair. I have the goodness of shea butter and avocado oil which prevents hair breakage, dryness and split ends. I am 100% vegan, good for the planet and you, and recyclable packaging." Comparing it with the olive and macadamia range, the olive and macadamia is like more of a gel based texture while this one is more of creamy texture. But in spite of this one being creamy in texture, it does lather quite well. It cleanses the scalp very nicely. I have very oily scalp and it removes all of the build-up nicely. It does contain very gentle surfactants, but the thing is, this particular shampoo has very strong and powerful fragrance as compared to the other shampoo which I have tried before. So this one contains very strong fragrance, and now fragrance is again very subjective. Some fragrance which I may like, you may not like. So but for me it felt little bit, not so great, not so pleasant, but again it's subjective, so you might like the fragrance, but I must say that the fragrance is very strong in this particular shampoo. If you check the ingredient list, it does contain all of these hydrating and conditioning ingredients, which is very good. But if I compare it with the olive and macadamia range, the shampoo, that one I feel is more suitable and I like that one much better than this, because for some reason with this shampoo it does cleanses nicely and it does feel a little bit soft and smooth. The hair feels soft and smooth after rinsing it off with this shampoo, but it does feel a little bit dry on the scalp area, so which is not good, even though they say that this will not dry out your hair because of its hydrating ingredients, but still my hair feels a little bit dry. But when I had used the olive and macadamia range, that also gives deep moisturization, and if you see that shampoo, that also says that it is hydrating shampoo. So if you are looking for a hydrating and very gentle hair shampoo, then I would prefer that one, the olive and macadamia one, over this, because I have curly hair, I have frizzy hair, I don't have silky hair. So basically, as per their website, this shampoo is suitable for me, but it does dry out my scalp a little bit. It makes the hair soft and smooth, it is true, but I would prefer the olive and macadamia one, which gives me better results, which hydrates my hair without drying out my scalp. So I would choose that one over this. So these are all of my thoughts regarding this avocado soft cleanse shampoo. So that is all from my overall review. I hope you found this video to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that's it from today. I'll see you guys in my next one.